Good afternoon, students. Today we are moving to fifth module, and it mainly deals with the cause of road accidents, the analysis of data of road accidents, and the preventive measures of road accidents. And these topics are very general, and all the points are very much familiar to you. So I think too much explanation is not needed on these topics. So I am just discussing some important points on road accidents. Okay, that's one introduction. What is the main reason behind road accidents? The increase in number of motor vehicles in the road has created a major social problem, that is road accidents. And the road accidents may involve property damage, personal injuries or even casualties. So a multidisciplinary approach is needed in understanding and providing solutions. So what is the role of traffic engineer regarding this road accident? Because traffic engineer is concerned since many features of the highway affect the safety of vehicle and other road users. Based on the statistics, the traffic engineer must devise the way to reduce the accidents to better planning construction, maintenance and traffic operation. The traffic engineer is also concerned about the regulation and management of traffic to ensure safer travel. So all these points are related to traffic engineer. These all points are controlled by traffic engineer. That is, traffic engineer has to devise measures to prevent the road accidents and to maintain better safety of road travel and better planning, construction, maintenance, and traffic operation. So, in regarding this topic, the main role is of traffic engineer. Okay. Next one, what are the objectives of accident studies? First one, to study the causes of accidents and to suggest corrective treatment at potential location. That's the first objective. That by analyzing the traffic studies, we can understand the cause of accidents and can suggest corrective treatment at certain locations. Okay, at peak points. Second objective, to evaluate existing design. That is, based on this accident studies we can evaluate the existing design of the road, and also based on this accident studies uh, we can provide a new proposal for the upcoming projects. Okay, so the next objective is to evaluate the existing design and to support proposed designs. Okay, so based on this accident studies we can propose so many suggestions on the coming project. Okay, we can provide any other signal system, or we can provide channelization to prevent accidents, etc. Okay. Then the fourth objective, to carry out before and after studies and to demonstrate the improvement in the problem. So based on these accident studies we can analyze the condition before and after the accident. So we can compare these two things and can suggest new methods, or we can demonstrate the improvement in the problem. Next one, to make computations of financial loss. We can make a computation of financial loss using the accident study analysis. Last one, to give economic justification for the improvement suggested by traffic engineer. Okay, so based on the analysis, or based on the accident studies, the traffic engineer can provide justification for improvements. Okay, these are the main objectives of accident studies. Next, we can discuss the causes of road accidents. Okay, this is the first topic coming under road accidents, that is causes of road accidents. First one, road user. That is, the road user means this is the accident. These are the reasons produced by the drivers. So, what are the factors? The road accidents. The main reason behind the road accident is excessive speed and rash driving. Okay, that is main reason behind road accident. Then violation of traffic rules, another reason. Failure to perceive traffic situations or sign or signal in adequate time. Okay. Then carelessness, fatigue, alcohol, sleep, etc. These are the cause of road accidents which is created by drivers, and that is road users. Okay. Second one, cause of road accident by vehicles. So the points coming under the cause by vehicles are defects like failures of brakes, and defective steering system, and tire burst, lighting system failure, etc. Okay, these all are general topics, and you can explain this all these points, okay, based on the mark distribution. If it is asked for 6 mark, you just write the points only, and if it is asked for essay, you should elaborate these points. Okay, third one, road condition. So the points coming under road condition are skidding road surface, then potholes, ruts, etc. Then fourth one, road design. Road design means defective geometric design like inadequate side distance, inadequate width of shoulders, improper curve design, improper traffic control devices, and improper lighting. These all come under road design, that is the defective road design. That is, we have to provide adequate stopping side distance, intermediate and overtake side, etc. So also there should be proper width of shoulder, as per IRC minimum 5 meter, which should be provided for shoulders. Then improper curve design or extra widening, improper extra widening, etc. This that is all the defects under road design will cause road accidents. Next factor is environmental factors. That is unfavorable weather conditions like mist, snow, smog, and heavy rainfall, and these all cause visibility problem and create road accidents. Okay, and these all restrict the normal visibility and make driving unsafe. These are the environmental factors. Last one, the other causes. The points coming under these are improper location of advertisement boards, that is general reason, that is the reason which are not coming under above 5 points, that all come under other causes. First one, improper location of advertisement boards, gate of level crossing not closed when required, etc. This all can cause road accidents. These are the main cause of road accidents. This is the first topic coming under road accident. Next, we have to study about data analysis and road accident preventive measures. So today I'm winding this topic because so you just go through the textbook. I think in page number 190 or 192, these points are discussing. Can and just a textbook. Just read that book. Thank you.